it's my great pleasure to introduce the fashion technology discipline. Our specialism aims to produce the graduates with sound knowledge in fashion product development, fashion product innovation, and also we are aim to produce the graduates with the potential of the leaders in the production management. So we will see a little bit more about the different aims. Fashion product development actually is from design to the production of the fashion apparel. So development of the product includes the analysis of the market demand, customer requirement, cost analysis, function analysis, and also the material, structure, pattern analysis. So we are aim to provide the student with the solid knowledge and skills in the fashion product development. We are also aim to produce a graduate with a very strong knowledge in the product innovation. For example, everybody talking about the sustainable technologies. We are also focused on the eco materials, green materials, for example, organic materials, and also textile can protect people from, for example, UV radiation, and also the bacteria. And also today, textile will be more advanced. For example, energy fabric. The fabric can produce electricity, and we hope in the future our students can do the management role in the production sector. Talking about career aspects, technology students, actually we have two major advantages. First of all, we have a very strong, solid knowledge in fashion textiles. And another one is about we also have knowledge in the fashion business. We have a wide range of jobs. Okay, for example, we can do the research and fashion product development. For example, you can work in the company enterprise and R&D research center, and you can do the product development. For example, your company will assign a kind of work to you to design and produce a kind of novel functional textile and fashion textiles. So you can also apply the advanced knowledge you learned before for the R&D development. And also for the fashion textile discipline, we also focus on some testing works. For example, we can do the testing for the materials, fiber, yarn, and fabric. And in the future, you can also work in the commercial lab or industrial association for the accreditation. Okay, and then the other one is the production sector. For example, we have many different kinds of companies involving the fiber, the yarn, the fabric, garment, etc. And in these kind of companies, you can apply your strong knowledge in the process innovation and process development. Besides the technical point, you can also provide the technical service, the customer service. Okay, for example, okay, you can provide your professional advice in the materials, the structures, and even the market. And you can provide your professional advice to your buying office, the buyers, and you are also provide the advice for your customers. And also you can do the analysis for the product and even the sales. Because remember, technology stream and discipline will provide the student with sound knowledge and skills in the product development. Not only you have the technical knowledge, but also you can have the business knowledge. So in the future, you can apply them both for your career. Besides the jobs I mentioned before, you can further your study. For example, you can apply for the research postgraduate and master program. Okay, and our department have a postgraduate research position and also the master program opportunities. And then you can further your study even in ITC, or you can further your study overseas. Our professors are doing very good jobs in innovation, and most often the professors will hire our technology student into their research work, and by that way you can get further training in R&D. And also you can have other jobs, for example, the education, the training, and also you can even work in the government, of course, in the textile area, and also you can start your own business. Okay. And then for the textile discipline, so what are the candidates we are looking for? Actually, very simple. We're just looking for the candidates who are interested and have higher passion in fashion technology and business. As I mentioned before, technology itself cannot work well. It must be combined with the knowledge of business. We can make the fashion and textile successful. And for the applicants for our stream, for the senior year students, so normally we will bring the applicants, and then the shortlisted students or candidates will be invited for the written test. And sometimes the interview will also be arranged if necessary. For the job pass applicants, very simple, because year one, they have no discipline. And after the first year of study, and then they can select or choose their preference of the specialism. Okay? So that's all about the introduction of the technology stream or discipline. Okay, thank you.